Let's have a quick look at the concept of triple bottom line. This accounting framework extends beyond traditional financial measures to incorporate environmental and social dimensions. It often refers to as 3 Ps, where the first P is people, then second one is planet, and followed by profit. There are several challenges that are related with measuring these 3 dimensions presented by the triple bottom line. While financial performance can be quantified using monetary units, that means we can always measure profit. However, assessing monetary values to social and environmental impact is often more complex. There is one approach which involves developing a common measurement unit for all 3 dimensions through their that remains elusive at this moment, because it is very difficult to bring a common element or unit to measure the value of people, planet, and profit. Alternatively, we can always go for an index-based approach. In this case, the main challenge is going to be identifying universally accepted metrics for each of these dimensions. So still now that has also remained a bit controversial and challenge. There are several potential indicators that can be used to measure profit. That means you can always take the difference between income and expense, and we can also look at the growth of a company, market performance, and these are all economic dimension. For environmental issues that is related with planet dimension, we have looked at more and more increase in the use of ESG. That means ESG index, which is environmental, social, and governance frameworks. And for the people dimension, we can always have a look at educational, health, employment, and safety dimension, to just name a few. As you can see, the triple bottom line framework divides sustainability into weak form and strong form. So weak form sustainability is different from strong form because under weak form sustainability, the priority is between economic and social consideration over the environmental protection consideration. So this allows for trade-off between these dimensions. For instance, exploiting natural resources for economic growth and job creation might be justified under a weak form sustainability framework. However, if you go for a strong form sustainability, it will place environment at the core. So environment will remain at the core focus, and the social and economic factors contingent on environmental health. So that will be the first priority. So the hierarchical approach emphasizes the critical role a healthy ecosystem in supporting human well-being and economic prosperity. So it's not this or that. It's the first priority is to ensure the sustainability of the environment, and that will lead to ensuring the people are okay and they are able to generate enough economic profit to ensure their long-run sustainability. So ultimately, the distinction between weak and strong sustainability hinges on the value placed on the environment. A weak sustainability perspective may prioritize short-term economic gains over long-term environmental consequences. However, if we focus on strong sustainability approach, it advocates for environmental protection as a prerequisite for sustainable development.